Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello mga kababayan! This is At Home with Mardy and welcome to the Bimbol Ruko Chronicles, your backstage pass to the life, legacy, and legendary rules of one of the Philippine cinema's boldest and most iconic actors. From fearless rules in daring films to unforgettable performances that challenge norms, Bimbol Rocco has always pushed boundaries. And now, we're diving deep into the stories behind the screen. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Rafael Aranda Ruco Jr., better known by his stage name Bembol Rocco, was born on November 20, 1953 in Naga, Camarines Sur, Philippines. He is a celebrated Filipino actor whose career has spanned from 1974 to the present, earning him a respected place in the history of Philippine cinema. Standing at 178 cm, Rocco is known for his powerful screen presence and memorable portrayals of intense and often socially relevant characters. Off-screen, he is a father to 5 children, including his twin sons, Felix and Dominic Rocco, who have followed his footsteps and made names for themselves in the acting industry. Bembol Rocco's journey into acting began unexpectedly. After completing an 18-month rehabilitation program at the Drug Abuse Rehabilitation Education Foundation in Bicutan, he started working there. In 1974, renowned director Lino Broca visited the facility to secure a filming permit and discovered Rocco. Impressed by his background and demeanor, Broca cast him in a segment of the anthology film Tatlo Dalawa Isa in 1974, where Rocco portrayed a recovering drug addict, a role that mirrored his own experiences. This marked the beginning of a fruitful collaboration between Rocco and Broca. Rocco's breakout role came in 1975 when he was cast as Julio Madiaga in Maynila sa Mga Kuko ng Liwanag. Initially, actor Jay Ilagan was chosen for the role, but after 4 days of filming, Broca felt Ilagan did not physically embody the impoverished and desperate character he envisioned. Rocco, with his lean and withered appearance, was recast, delivering a performance that earned him the famous Best Actor Award and solidified his place in Philippine cinema history. Throughout the 1970s and 1980s, Rocco became a prominent figure in Filipino cinema, known for his compelling performances in films such as Tatlong Taong Walang Diyos, Ora Pro Nobis, Babangon Ako at Dudurugin Kita, and Gumapang Ka sa Lusak. His collaborations with directors like Ismael Bernal, Chito Runyo, Marilo Diaz Abaya, and Joel Lamangan further cemented his reputation as a versatile and talented actor. In 1982, Rocco expanded his horizons internationally with a role in the Australian-American film The Year of Living Dangerously, starring alongside Mel Gibson and Sigourney Weaver. Rocco's talent seamlessly transitioned to television, where he took on various roles in popular series. Notable performances include his portrayal of Tiburcio Tibo Yadaw in Sene Novela Tinik sa Dibdib in 2009 until 2010 and his role as Berto Batungbuhay in Little Nanay from 2015 to 2016. In recent years, he has appeared in series such as Lolong in 2022, Big Bet in 2023, and Incognito in 2025, showcasing his enduring presence in the industry. Bembo Roco's outstanding contributions to Philippine cinema have earned him numerous accolades throughout his illustrious career. He won the famous Best Actor Award in 1976 for his iconic performance in Maynila sa Mga Kuko ng Liwanag, a role that cemented his status as a premier actor of his generation. He was also honored with the Gawad Orian Best Actor Award for his role in Sa Piling ng Mga Sugapa, and received the Star Awards Best Actor recognition for his work in the television drama Esperanza. In 2016, he won the Two Farm Film Festival Best Actor Award for the film Pauwi Na, a performance that also earned him the Luna Awards Best Actor title the following year. Continuing his streak of excellence, Rocco was again recognized by the Two Farm Film Festival in 2017, winning Best Actor for his heartfelt performance in What Home Feels Like. These accolades reflect his remarkable range and unwavering dedication to his craft. Rocco was married to former fashion model Coco Artade, with whom he has 5 children: Rafael III, Katrina Isabel, Luis Gabriel, Teodoro Felix, and Ricardo Dominic. The couple separated in 2006. Despite challenges in their relationship, Rocco has expressed pride in his son's achievements in the acting industry. In 2015, he reconciled with his twin sons, Felix and Dominic, after a period of estrangement. He has since collaborated with them on various projects, including the film Angela Mercado and the series Sisid. Bembo Roco's career spans over 5 decades, marked by his dedication to his craft and his ability to portray complex characters with depth and authenticity. His work continues to inspire both audiences and fellow actors, solidifying his status as a cornerstone of Philippine cinema. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Drew Barrymore, I am not someone who is ashamed of my past. I'm actually really proud. I know I made a lot of mistakes, but they in turn were my life lessons. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Franco Cagayat from Paete, Laguna. Maraming salamat po. Special thanks to my source from Google, Photo Credits to Mobile.com, and inspirational quote credits to lifehack.org.